The version 3 comes with 2 rubbing alcohol wipes, the instruction booklet, the complete atomizer, ready to go, 2 extra donut coils, and ceramic cups, a screwdriver, and a dab tool. I also included 10 extra screws. Here is the cup and the donut. The donut goes into the ceramic cup. The cup then gently slides onto the metal base. Now what you want to do is take the screw and use that screw to tighten the donut wire onto the copper and stainless steel posts. I'm trying to push the donut down so it sits as tightly to the ceramic cup as possible. You will need to fasten down both wires on each post. Next, you will take the ceramic housing and slide it onto the metal base. There are 3 holes that you will put the screws into to tighten the ceramic housing down. Make sure that these are always tight. Loading the atomizer is simple. Just take a half BB-sized piece of your concentrate and put it directly onto the donut, like this. Here is a view of the version 2.7 and the version 3. You can see the donuts twice the size. Here I am taking a hit.